guys, today we will learn how to use melt function of reshape2 package in R. So melt function is basically used to transpose a wider data into a longer data. Let me quickly set up my working directory and read the data set, which is wide data. So wide data consists of 8 records. First is your store ID, which is a unique identifier for a store, say a supermarket. Second column is your week, which is basically week number, 10th week, 11th week, 12th week, and so on. And A and B are name of two categories, A and B, and the number present in the cells of these two columns are number of sales metric or sales numbers, right? Now, in order to transpose this wide data into a longer data, we have to use a package called reshape2. So first you need to install this package. So this package is currently installed in my system, so I'm not executing this particular code, but I need to reload this package again, right? So in order to convert this byte data into longer data, the function is melt. The first argument is the name of the data frame, which is byte data. Second argument is measure.var. So columns which you want to transpose, the multiple columns which you transpose into a longer format. For example, here in byte data, you want to transpose A and B such that in the final output you have store in the first column, week in the second column, third column will be category and values present inside that column will be A and B, fourth column will be sales and number inside present inside those cells would be the number of sales metric, right? So measure.var basically is the vector consisting of the variable which you want to transpose into a longer format. Then the third argument is name of the variable which you want to keep. For example, for A and B I want to keep the name category as column header. Fourth argument is the value dot name is equal to, and in quotes you have to mention the name of the variable or the numeric number which you are finally transposing in a longer format, right? So once I execute this code, so see, now long data consists of 16 record because your third column is now category. There are two categories present for store A and B. For store 1 and 2 there are two categories A and B, so two column is now transposed to single column, and the fourth column is basically your sales numbers. Now this consists of 16 record instead of 8 because earlier we had category A and B in two columns for store and week combination. I hope you like this video. Thank you.